Sciatica support foods that may ease daily discomfort. Small nutrition habits can support nerve health. I reached a point where sitting for long periods felt uncomfortable and draining. The sharp, radiating feeling down the leg made simple tasks harder than they should be. I did not look for a miracle, just something practical to support my routine. Magnesium supports muscle and nerve function. One simple addition that surprised me was almonds. Just a small handful in the morning became part of my daily habit, not as a cure but as support. Almonds contain magnesium, which plays a role in muscle relaxation and nerve signaling. According to the National Institutes of Health, magnesium contributes to normal nerve function and may help reduce muscle tension. This matters because sciatica often involves irritation of the sciatic nerve, sometimes linked with tight muscles or DGT on the nerve pathway. A study published in Nutrients Journal discusses how adequate magnesium intake supports neuromuscular function. But here is the key. Food alone does not replace proper care. Sciatica has multiple causes. Diet supports but does not replace treatment. I combined this habit with simple movement, gentle stretching in the morning and short walks during the day. This helped reduce stiffness and improved how my body felt overall. I also focused on anti-inflammatory foods like leafy greens, olive oil, and fatty fish. The Mayo Clinic notes that balanced nutrition supports overall health and inflammation control. Here is how I used almonds effectively. About 20 to 25 grams per day, unsalted. Eaten in the morning with water or yogurt. Not every body reacts the same. Results depend on the underlying cause. Some people may not notice immediate changes. Others may need physical therapy or medical guidance. Consult a doctor for persistent nerve pain. Excess intake may add extra calories. Tracking your progress is important. Notice pain levels, flexibility, and daily comfort. Small, consistent improvements matter more than quick fixes. What surprised me most was not instant relief. It was how small habits supported my overall routine. Try simple changes and observe your body. Like and share if this helped you. Consistent steps build real improvement.